This is the dining room.
Just pictures of amazing.
That's Pauline trying to guzzle down her food.
You better did eat that one.
No, we could fight outside. I'll see you outside by the pool.
I'll see you outside because you can't swim.
I can swim better than you, mate. Till you know. Okay.
Whoa.
This is the restaurant, and the meal is excellent. The spread
Can you take a picture of it?
is overall. Let's go. I'm just going to try and walk around now with it, basically, and show an idea. I don't want anybody complaining that any copyright situations overall. Okay, and here I am. This lemon thing, this orange thing is brilliant, excellent. The salad bar, excellent. Hot dishes. Oh, I had the fish. Goodness me. And the flavors. I'm just walking back to my table now. Okay, I'm hoping that I don't want to offend anybody, so you got to be careful how you view these things. Okay, so oh, the reception area out here. Excellent. And then put it stop. Put this on. I'll push it down to play. Okay. Okay, thank you.